Okay, so the topic I chose to talk about was friendship because I believe friendship is one of the most important things in everybody's life because friends help you get through difficult situations when you feel you can't talk to any of your family members. You can always talk to your friends and they support you and try to give you advice on what they think is the best solution for you. And even when it's not you need advice or anything, your friends are always there to hang out with, to have fun, and just make plans with. So I wanted to show you guys some of my friends. These are some of my friends that I hang out with daily or when we would be at school. Or I just text them when I need them or need help. And those are people I can always count on, and I know that they'll always be there. So that's why I think friendship is one of the most important things because friends mean so much to everybody, and we all have a few close friends that they're always going to be there for us no matter what.